We now introduce you ThinLinc, a robust and sustainable alternative to Oracle's Secure Global Desktop, with support for publishing Linux desktops as well as Linux applications. Developed by Sendio, ThinLinc aims to provide security, stability, and ease of maintenance. It can be run locally or in the cloud and seamlessly integrates with existing infrastructure, such as LDAP and NFS. All data between the client and server is encrypted using SSH or SSL, with features to disable functionalities like clipboard and local drive redirection, ensuring secure usage even on untrusted networks. Unlike the licensing model of Secure Global Desktop, ThinLinc offers a more flexible pricing model, charged per concurrent user, which may result in fewer required licenses and significantly better total cost of ownership. ThinLinc is free and unrestricted for up to 10 concurrent users. With 20 years of existence, ThinLinc is the reliable choice for your company. Get in touch with us to discover how to migrate from Oracle Secure Global Desktop to ThinLinc and take advantage of the exclusive ThinLinc SGD Exchange program. For further information, please contact Sendio at sales@sendio.com. ThinLinc, your local experience, anywhere you want it.